We prepare for severe weather all year round, and when severe weather causes power outages, we follow a detailed plan that emphasizes safety and efficiency. There are several reasons you may see a truck idle or workers resting. Crews may be assessing damage to help build our restoration plan. They may be reviewing work plans or addressing safety concerns before work begins. Crews may be waiting on additional personnel and supplies to start a job. They may be finished in that area and reviewing plans for the next job. Or those crews may be on rest time, which is important for their safety. During restoration, crews often work 16-hour days, followed by 8 hours of mandatory time off. When you do see crews working, remember to keep your distance. Work sites can have a number of hidden dangers, and distracting restoration workers can cause accidents. Our restoration process is done in an orderly, deliberate manner with every step closely coordinated. We know that's the safest and quickest way to restore power to all of our customers. Remember to stay safe. Visit EnergyStormCenter.com for more information.